Hello friends, welcome back. In this quick session, we will understand the differences between the qualitative and the quantitative data. It is such an important interview question as well as this is a very fundamental thing that we all should know. Let's go and dive deeper into the differences. First, let's differentiate them with respect to definition. Qualitative data is all about the information which cannot be expressed as a number and you cannot measure it. I reiterate, you cannot measure it. But quantitative, on the other hand, you can express it as a number and you can measure it. The number, it can be measured as a numerical value. So you are free to measure it. Qualitative, you cannot measure. Quantitative, you can measure. Now, is it countable? Since you cannot measure, the qualitative data cannot be counted at all. But quantitative on the other side, since you can measure, you can count it. Data type. The word, object, picture, observations and symbols, all those things come and fall under the qualitative data. The numbers and statistics, whichever is measurable, again the definition gets connected here. Whichever is measurable comes and falls under quantitative data. Remember. Now, qualitative data will be used to understand how and why this has happened. On the other side, the quantitative data will help you in understanding how much, how often, all these kind of things which are related to numbers will be connected at the quantitative data. Qualitative will tell you how and why. Quantitative will tell you the figures. How much, how often. Please remember. Okay. Right. Some instances are there always which can help you to understand the differences better. The qualitative data can be names. My name, Sachin, Ganguly. The ethnicity, Indian, Sri Lankan, American. Color, saffron, white and green. Quantitative data, other side is the numbers, the score, 90 out of 100, 80 out of 100, 75, the weight, 70 kgs, shirt size, 40 inches. All these come as quantitative data. Remember, qualitative data can be used to understand, explain and interpret social interactions and patterns. On the other side, quantitative data will help you in test hypothesis, developing predictions for the future. But again, how much can you trust? How much can you go ahead with the results that you are getting with respect to qualitative and quantitative data? Qualitative is not generalizable. You are not going to go for any conclusions with respect to the qualitative results. But on the other side, you can draw the line of conclusions and the trends with respect to quantitative data. It's generalizable. So very, very important point. Qualitative, you cannot drag into any completion. Quantitative, you can get into conclusions and trends with respect to quantitative data. Well, methods, grounded theory, thematic analysis, content analysis, all those belong to qualitative data. Linear regression, logistic regression could be the simplest examples of quantitative data methods. I hope you like the session. In case you have any questions, please type it in the chat box. I'll be happy to answer. If you like the channel and the content, please subscribe. Thank you.